Recently came up with a recipe that I thought would be great if you're looking for something different to serve at a graduation party or bridal shower. It's also nice when you're craving something light and bright to serve for lunch or dinner. It's a twist on chicken salad that goes together like this. The first thing we do is cut some cooked chicken into chunks. As for the chicken, that can be boiled, roasted, grilled. Even easier, we can use rotisserie chicken. To that, we add some chopped celery, an apple that we've cut up, a bunch of grapes that we've cut in half, and about a cup of assorted berries. Instead of tossing this with the usual mayonnaise, to lighten things up, we toss this with a healthy amount of vanilla yogurt. And to give this a nice crunch, we add some chopped walnuts. After it chills, it's ready to serve. And whether you serve it on some mixed greens or stuffed in a sandwich, it's pretty darn tasty and colorful. So here's what I suggest. Go to our website and print out a copy of our berry grape chicken salad recipe. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a light and bright way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.